What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most popular cocktail from Brazil, caipirinha.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
It's called capoeira. It's a Brazilian martial art. But don't be fooled by its beauty and grace. It's actually quite deadly.
So let me show you what we need for this cocktail. Well, we have lime, sugar and cachaca. If you want to know more about cachaca, please check the link in the description below. Well, we have all the ingredients, so let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna peel off the lime. Now I'm gonna take off this part. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar. Good to go. The next step, I'm gonna squeeze the lime juice. Now let's add 60 ml of cachaça. And now I'm gonna fill the glass with ice cubes. And let's give it a shake for 5 seconds. And there you have it, caipirinha. Don't forget, drink responsibly, never drink and drive. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Cheers!